Good morning! I'm making pancakes. Yun. Yung maliit na pancake na binili namin kagabi. Liit, no? Ang cute. Si Dan lang naman kasi may gusto ng pancakes. Siguro I will eat like one. Tapos, okay na. Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa pancakes. And naka-ready na din yung tea. At saka my coffee. And then today, I think we will go to Costco. So, mag-vlog ako dun. I'll do my best to vlog. And you guys, mamaya ma-upload yung Sephora giveaway. Gosh, parang gusto ko din sumali sa giveaway. Gusto ko sumali, tapos pipiliin ko yung sarili ko, diba? Panalo ako, 17,000 worth of Too Faced makeup. Bongga. No, pero yung Sephora yung pipili ng panalo, so hindi ako. Part din ako ng pagpili ng panalo kasi isisend ko sa kanila yung mga gusto kong answers, isend ko sa kanila. Tapos, out of those people, pipili sila ng dalawa. Kung ano, para sa kanila yung the best na sagot sa tanong na yun. Yung, parang Miss Universe, diba? Tapos, yung laundry din namin rewash namin kasi nilagay ko siya sa laundry pagdating namin. Diba, late na kami dumating kagabi, galing sa bahay ng mama niya. Nilagay ko siya sa laundry. Nakalimutan ko kasi nag-edit ako. Sobrang tagal ko natapos mag-edit. Tapos si Dano lang ginawa kung di manood ng YouTube video. Hindi niya nainom yung tea niya. Ay, hindi niya naano yung laundry. So ngayon, ni-rewash namin yung laundry kasi sabi niya, ganyan dapat daw gawin kapag matagal na yung laundry na hindi namin nakuha. Hello! Punta kami ng Costco. That highlight, no. I have on my lips the Balm Meat Matte Use. After pag-pronounce nun, in the shade Charming. I really like it. Ito yung ginamit ko sa yung pangalawang lip option sa day to night makeup look ko. So yeah, and I'm wearing this Sunnies that Dan doesn't like. You don't like the Sunnies, tell me? No. You don't. I like it. I mean, it's alright. Tapos suot ko itong plaid na shirt. Meron akong ganito. Same exact print, pero parang yun, parang mas maliit siya dito. Ito parang boyfriend fit siya. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. I have my alien shirt on. Just black leggings. And then, my nude flats na nabili ko sa Pilipinas pa. So, yeah. Sa Gaisano ko ata yung nabili. And then, yung bag ko, yan lang. Dito na kami sa Costco. Medyo malayo yung park namin kasi sobrang dami. Hala, babe, look at that. You got it. Oh, well. Exercise. Doon na doon. Yun. Costco. Ang laki, oh. Costco wholesale. We're here. Hala, Ziploc. We don't need it. Hala, for the... Okay, whatever. Laki, oh. The ceiling? Yeah. Hala, they have lapis here.
How many are you getting here?
That's cute. It's $50. How many are there? 4? 4?
How about just 2? I just got home here for.
I think there's 4.
That's all cord. No, that's all cord.
Ah, okay.
That's all, yeah.
Look at this. $189. Perfect tong pang picture. Meron ka ng rug. Tapos may pang picture ka pa. Diba? Bongga. Ang mahal nga lang.
This is a lot as well, actually.
Yeah.
This is actually not bad price.
That can last you
What do we use it
forever.
What do we use these for, though?
For the mouse, the keyboard.
Oh, I'll get them. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to get the AAAs as well?
No.
Why not?
Still.
Oh yeah, we do. Look at the Costco. This is our second time here, right?
Yeah, second or third.
Dami pang Pilipino dito. Dito na yung hinahanap ko.
Actually, yeah. They're a lot
Guys.
bigger.
Do they?
Oh, you're going too small.
They look small.
Okay.
Wait, let's look for
What size are they, babe?
35, 36. I have now 33, 34. Babalik kami sa front kasi kukuha kami ng cart. We have a big cart. Ang laki pa ng cart namin. Kala mo naman dami bibilhin. Daming tao. As in, nakakahiya mag-vlog. But it's okay. The food looks so good. Ito, oh, yummers. Is it spicy? Yeah, oh no.
Doing it that dinner.
Yeah, we can. Bakit nakafocus sa kanya? Bumili kami ng Sticko. Hindi siya Sticko, parang wafer. Whatever. Sticko sa atin. Daming EOLs. How much is this? Where's the price? It's 5 pack. It's cute. Bibili kami ng pagkain. He will get hot dog, I think, and then I will get the chicken bake. You wanna go there?
Weird.
Yeah, that's big. Is it hot? It is. We're off. We're done. Hindi naman ganun kadami yung ano. Papakita ko sa inyo. I will do a haul. Are we gonna go home? Or do you wanna go to the grocery? Coles? Okay, so pupunta kami sa Coles. Dito kami sa Keepas Chips. Wala lang. Tingin-tingin. Tingin-tingin. These are so cute. But they have the hook. I don't need the hook. Look at those. Those are so cute. $5. And silang
They're
white
for plants.
I've seen that one from IKEA. Not exactly the same. Oh, this one, babe. Oh my gosh, do you know what? This one, I found at Kmart for $6. And this here, it's only $2. Hooks.
No, no.
R is sold out. It's a really popular R.
These ones.
D? Oh yeah. How? This is. Oops. Okay. Yeah, there's no R and D, babe. These are smaller, so these must be not like $3. Meron sila maliit, $1. Do you like it?
I don't know.
There's this one. This one, babe. Do you like this?
No, I like this one.
No? This one?
Yeah,
Okay.
a bit more businessy. That's not businessy.
Doesn't matter.
It does.
It doesn't matter. They will not see it. What you have now is black, right?
Yeah.
You don't like this one at all? This one. Look it. It's just plain black.
No, that's too small inside.
Ah, okay.
You open it up, I bet you one page would be half a day. So, you know, that's with it. 2 days.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
3 days.
I get it.
This is
How about that one?
one page is a whole day.
Cool. Okay. Merong mga damit yung Kohl's nila dito. First time namin pumunta dito. I mean, first time ko pumunta dito. They have clothing. Hello. The football-ish. Hala, you don't have a big one.
That's what I'm looking for, to see if I got Wingard.
Wingard.
Hello.
Nah, people love Wingard. They will buy Wingard.
He's all gone.
Where is he?
I
Aww.
bought for $5.
Yeah. It's only $5.
Oh, he's all gone. He's all gone.
No more
No
Wingard.
Wingard.
We're heading home. Yung lipstick ko nandito pa rin. Gusto ko siya. It's very lightweight and yeah, okay na okay siya. Ito yung The Bomb Meet Matthews. Na charming. My eyes are red. Kailangan ko i-edit yung thumbnail ko mamaya para sa video tonight. And yeah, it's 3 right now. Tapos at 6:30 party ng anak ng best friend niya. So, birthday ng anak ng best friend niya. Is today's birthday?
I don't know.
Bumili siya ng card. Ito. Happy birthday. Are you gonna write something?
Yeah.
And then put money in it?
Yep.
Sabi ng papa niya, pera lang daw yung ano, kasi lilipat sila ng bahay and ayaw nila na maraming toys na ma-accumulate sa bahay kasi lilipat na sila ng bahay. And then, bumili din siya nito. It's a girl. Nanganak yung asawa ng pinsan niya and girl yung bata. So, bigyan niya din ng pera. Thank you. What is this? Banana and strawberry? Banana and strawberry smoothie. Oh, can they see your tattoo? No? Pero nakita niyo paglakad niya kanina. Meron siyang tat sa ano. Meron siyang tattoo. Tato. Paano ba pronounce yung tattoo? How do you pronounce tattoo? Tattoo, right? Tattoo?
Yeah.
Well, Australians pronounce it differently than Americans. Tattoo.
How do American pronounce it?
Tattoo, I think. I'm not sure. I'm not American.
tattoo?
I say tato. I say tato in the Philippines.
Is it?
It's just so confusing. There's so many ways on how you pronounce shit. And it's like, and then people get mad at me. People get mad at me all the time. Oh yeah, pakita ko sa inyo you guys. Ang daming strawberries. Kasi sa sa Costco, meron silang, where is it, babe? In the fridge? Dami nilang strawberries. And ito yung sinasabi ng asawa ng kapatid niya kahapon na sobrang dami daw. This is $6.50? $6.99?
That's one.
Binili niya akong chinelas. Siya nagbayad. Yes. Wait, sukat natin. Medyo maliit siya kasi 33 to 34. And nasabi ko na ba sa inyo na meron akong thongs. Thongs yung tawag nila sa chanelas nila dito. Meron ako, binili namin sa Ruby Cotton. $2 lang, tsaka ayoko sa kanya. Kasi masakit sa paa. Parang nararab niya yung paa ko. Medyo parang snug siya, pero mas prefer ko siya kaysa sa malaki. Kasi yung 35, 36, agay! Oh my God! Kasi yung 35, 36, parang ang laki na niya sa akin. Kasi alam nyo ba, mga siguro 2 days before ng flight ko papunta dito, naputol yung chanelas ko, kaloka. So, pumunta ako dito, wala akong chanelas. And I was thinking na, hindi ko naman kailangan kasi wait, naputol. Oh yeah, naputol nga yung chanelas ko. 2 days before ako pumunta dito. And wala na kaming time na bumili ng bagong chanelas. You guys, pupunta kami sa party. And, should I wear my contacts, babe? What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, right? Because I will be playing. Sure.
Yeah.
And then, I need to bring socks as well. Do you want me to bring socks for you?
I'll buy some socks.
I can get it for you. Oh, let's go. Let's go together, my love. Kailangan namin magdala ng socks kasi it's a play cafe. So, parang kung gusto mo daw pumunta sa playground, dapat mag-socks ka, something. It's really cold, but I'm just gonna wear this. And then I'm gonna wear contacts. Sobrang pagod na pagod ako kanina, you guys. As in, sobra. And then, tumawag yung mga bata. Kasi, isasama namin yung anak ng Kuya ni Dan. Sabi nila anong oras na namin sila susunduin kasi excited na sila. Nawala yung pagod ko bigla. Kanina sobrang pagod na pagod ako. Nag-contacts ako. Sakit ng mata ko. My eyes are so freaking sensitive lately. It's crazy. Yeah. Card for the birthday boy. Excited na yung dalawang bata. Tumawag sila kay Dan. Sabi nila, anong oras na kami susunduin? Uncle Smelly! Sunduin namin yung mga bata. And then, gagamitin namin yung sasakyan ng asawa ng kuya niya. Kasi, of course, hindi kasya yung bata dito. Walang ano dito, car seat para sa bata. So, yeah. Gagamitin namin ang social na Porsche. You're gonna be fancy tonight with your Porsche. Hello, nasa bahay na kami. Sobrang pagod na ako. Kagabi pa ako pagod, tapos kaninang umaga, nag-edit. Parang, yung weekend ko kasi in-expect ko na mag-chill ako sa weekend. Walang chill na naganap. Kasi I needed to edit the video, tapos pumunta kami ng Costco, tapos yung ganap kanina, kasama yung mga bata. It was fun though, as in naglaro din ako, sumali din ako sa laro, kaya siguro as in over na napagod na ako ngayon. And I'm preparing his tea. Ito yung colon tea na hindi niya nainom kahapon. Instead of kahapon, tonight na lang, tapos bukas ulit yan. Para lang maubos yung lahat. This is his day 23 now, or night 23, whatever. Basta malapit na maubos. Hindi na siya ganun kadalas tumatakbo. Like tumatakbo na lang siya twice a week. Minsan nga, once a week na lang. Tsaka din naman kasi yung weather, laging umuulan. So, ayoko naman tumakbo siya na umuulan, diba? Baka magkasakit na naman. Tapos bukas, i-film namin yung Whisper Challenge. Tagal ko na gusto yun i-film. Tapos sabi niya, sige bukas daw. So, i-film namin bukas. And then parang meron din ata kami pupuntahan bukas kasama yung kapatid niya. Kanina kasi, natapos actually yung party mga 8:30. Pero pumunta kami sa bahay ng kuya niya. And nagstay kami doon. Hinintay namin na umuwi sila kasi nag-dinner din sila nung dinner namin yung mga bata sa party. So yeah, nagstay kami doon nang medyo matagal. Hinintay namin na bumalik yung mag-asawa before namin iwan yung mga bata. Good morning! I will get ready. Pupunta kami sa... Actually, hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Pero kasama namin yung kambal ni Dan, yung asawa niya, at yung anak nila. I think the fork yung tawag, na maraming mga food trucks nandun. And yeah, kain-kain, ganun. We need to be ready before 2 kasi hintayin lang nila na magising yung anak. I will be using again my Born This Way foundation. Ito yung na-review ko na. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko tong foundation na to. Perfect yung shade niya. Available siya sa Sephora PH. Ililive ko yung link below if you guys are interested. Link ng review at saka link ng Sephora. Wait, I need to dump my beauty blender. I'll be back. No, not beauty blender. Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. Nakalimutan ko kayo ng slide. ng slide lang naman. Na-apply ko na yung foundation ko. Meron na din akong powder. And nag-blush na din ako. And then yung gamit kong highlight is yung Too Faced Candlelight Glow. Ito, maganda. Minix ko yung dalawang shade kasi meron dalawang shade yun, diba? Gagamitin ko din yung The Balm na liquid lipstick ko kasi gustong-gusto ko siya. Pero natapon siya yun, guys. Meron siyang ganyan dito. So, gustong-gusto ko siya kasi totoo talaga yung sinasabi niya na long-lasting. Messy nga lang siya. I do not know what happened. Like, suddenly, naging sobrang messy siya. Wala na akong ginawa. Like, inopen ko lang siya tapos close. So, kapag nag-set na siya sa lips, matte siya. Tapos yung amoy niya, parang juicy fruit. Juicy fruit na bubblegum. Kapag pinasok ko siya doon, lumalabas yung ibang product. See? See that? Oh! Bakit ganun? Oh my gosh. Sayang. What is going on with you, mama? Isa-straight ko lang yung buhok ko. So, meron pa lang nagtatanong kung before ako mag-straight, meron ba akong nilalagay na lotion. Hindi siya lotion. Ano siya? Heat protection spray. From this brand right here na ayokong basahin kasi hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-pronounce. I'm done. Ganito yung itsura ko. Wow, ganda ng lighting dito. Yep, not really. Ganito na yung itsura ko. Hindi ako nag-mascara today. Yung highlight ko, gustong-gusto ko siya. Very subtle na highlight. Papakita ko kay Dan yung buhok ko kasi humahaba na. Babe!
Yo.
Look at my hair.
Looks good.
It's really long now. Right? It was like right here. Do you like it?
I do.
Dito ako sa Facebook account ko, yung private na Facebook na account ko, yung personal Facebook account. And nakalimutan ko, in-add pala ako ng mama ni Dan. Nung Friday, diba matagal kami umuwi ng Friday. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ko kasi ginagamit yung private ko. Even yung personal ko, even yung public ko, hindi ko na siya masyadong chine-check. But I will do my best to check it and like update you guys on my public Facebook from now on. Kalimutan ko, Sunday na ngayon ko lang siya in-accept. And ang dami dito na nag-send ng friend request sa akin. Hindi ko siya i-accept, yung mama lang niya. Kasi hindi ko to ina-update you guys. The last time I posted a picture was way back December 2016. So, hindi ko chine-check at all yung personal Facebook ko. I just used the messenger para kausapin yung pamilya ko. But yeah, gusto ko lang siyang i-accept kasi sabi niya, gusto niya daw akong kausapin kapag umuwi na ako ng Pilipinas just to make sure I'm okay. Tapos, nung nandun din kami, sobrang sweet kasi sabi niya, nagpaturo siya sa akin kung paano like i-check yung channel ko. Kasi chine-check niya, pero sabi niya, alam niya, pero sobrang tagal niya daw makapunta sa channel ko. So, tinurn on ko yung notification. And, yeah, sabi ko, may mag-i-email sa'yo araw-araw. Kasi araw-araw ako nag-upload. Sabi niya, okay lang. Gusto ko lang malaman na okay kapag dating mo ng Pilipinas. Ang tagal-tagal pa nun ha. Tapos, yeah, very concerned niya. Chinek ko yung Facebook ko para i-save yung mga pictures na na-mention ko sa how I did my makeup in college video. Kasi kailangan kong tapusin i-edit yung video na yun mamayang gabi. So, yeah, kaya nandito ako. Not to accept her friend request. Ngayon ko lang naalala. Pupunta muna kami sa shops kasi nag-text yung kambal niya. Susundain nila daw kami in an hour. So, meron pa kaming 1 hour. Pupunta kami ng shops kasi nakalimutan namin bilhin yung milk. And then, shoot, ang lamig. Bibilin din kami ng wings kasi yung pinuntahan namin na grocery kahapon wala silang wings, drumsticks lang. So, kailangan namin ng wings kasi gusto niya na magluto ako ng adobo this week. Kaya yun yung ganap, yung highlight. Gandarns. Biglang nagbagay yung lighting nung inano ko yung highlight ko. Oops. You got it?
Yeah.
Did you turn on the alarm?
No.
Okay. Someone asked if I have tried driving your car.
No.
I did. Just a little bit.
Oh, you did actually, yeah.
Yeah. Just a little bit nung pa-park siya. Tapos na kami mag-shopping. Konti lang yung binili namin. Tapos sobrang nagmamadali kami kasi nag-text yung kapatid niya. Sabi nila, darating sila 20 minutes. So, nagmamadali kami. Tapos, ito yung Kohl's na pinuntahan namin the last time na yung merong babae na lumapit sa amin na sabi, like, I don't know. Basta nasabi ko sa inyo yun sa previous vlog ko. And siya yung same na babae na nag-serve ng chicken wings namin. As in, siya talaga yun. Kaloka, napaka-awkward. But, yeah. Well, hindi ako nag-vlog kanina. Hindi ko dinala yung camera ko. Kasi nga nagmamadali kami. But that happened. Siya talaga yung nag-serve ng wings namin.
I feel you. A blanket. Put him in there. I want to go in there.
Right, what?
You have to wait until you get tapped on the head, love.
Oh well, he's already in there.
There's a puppy. Really small. Look at it.
It's quick. Look at that.
His eyes are so big.
Oh, leave me alone! Everyone's trying to...
Are you videoing or are you taking a photo?
What are you doing?
Just videoing. Babe, do some commentary.
What?
Do some commentary.
Commentary? Talk, you mean?
Talk.
Commentary. In the bar.
There's an old man filming kids. Zoom!
It's like I'm sticking because I got...
He said he will show me how you do it. Yeah, lift your legs. Go ahead. You guys, we finished filming the Whisper Challenge. Did you have fun, babe?
What's that?
Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was alright.
Yeah, it was good. I had fun. I think I was screaming the whole time. I'm pretty sure I was. I'm gonna upload that. I'm not sure when yet, but it's gonna be very soon for sure. What do you want to eat? Have you been eating? Are you hungry? Do you want to eat squid?
Nah,
No?
too heavy.
I feel like squid. Can I have some?
Oh yeah,
Just for me. You've been eating. I haven't eaten since we got back, so...
I'll sweet.
Okay, I'll cook squid. We got this from Costco yesterday and we actually tasted it kasi meron silang taste test na nandun kami. So, and gustong-gusto ko siya. So, we got this squid, salt and pepper. Babasahin ko lang kung paano siya lutuin. And yeah. And then, I will cook his lunch. I mean, he will help me bake his lunch. Ito na yung dinner namin. So, ito yung kay Dan. Nilagyan ko siya ng sweet chili sauce. And yung sauce ko nasa gilid. Hala, mali! Ito yung kay Dan. Ito yung akin. Okay lang yan. But yan yung dinner. And I have my mask on. Yung gelato na pistachio mask. Yung rub-in mask. And yeah, I think that's basically it for this vlog, you guys. Kasi wala nang ganap. Na-bake na yung ano niya. Yung lunch niya there. And yeah, i-edit ko lang yung Whisper Challenge namin. And that's basically it for tonight. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Bye!